This is a demonstration video of 15 kVA gas generator assembled by Power Pack Generators, Faisalabad, Pakistan. Let me show you around this generator. It has a highly efficient, super soundproof canopy which reduces the noise levels and which is suitable for the household. It has a 1600cc 4-cylinder Toyota engine which gives out 30 amperes on single phase. This is a high-speed 1450 RPM electric fan which provides efficient cooling and helps in reducing the noise level. The super soundproof canopy is powder coated in pro green color. The radiator and the silencer are completely built in. Here, this is a specially designed duct for air intake. Now let's give it a start.
Super quiet operation.
And you can hardly hear any noise. On the digital voltmeter, it's 235 volts. We can see the voltage stability, which is in points only.